There's the Mountain Railway. I'm not going to take that route. I'm going to take the Llanberis path up. 9 mile walk. Let's go this way actually, yeah, 9 mile walk up. And yeah, I'm probably going to regret it halfway up wishing I caught the train, but the train's cheating. Haha. Activating this for SOTA. Golf Whiskey / November Whiskey 001. Now I've alerted for 11 o'clock and it's 8 o'clock now ish, so hopefully I'll get up there in time. I'm not going to film all of it because I really don't think you want to listen to me getting out of breath, so I'm going to take it easy and yeah, Llanberis path. It's meant to be the easier walk up. Really don't want to do the peg, the ranges, and I'm definitely not doing crib cock, which I'll probably pronounce that wrong. I'm sure somebody will tell me in the comments. Anyway, see you part way up. Yeah. Yep, correct kit, enough food, that's all, you know, done that. Don't push yourself beyond your ability, turn that over conditions beyond your experience kit. So yeah, 5 minutes in then for me. 9 miles, 6 hours there and back, blimey. Better get a move on. Right, I've done it. Didn't record my activation because I just wanted to get it qualified quick and didn't think about switching the camera on, but Llanberis path, about 8 o'clock start, got to Summit about 12, so that's like 4 hours, and it's going to be like 4 hours back down. That's a different path, I think that's a pig track. I'll put, when I log the stuff on SOTA, I'll put it on the screenshot because they do like a map of what you got, or how far you got. Quite a few to the north as well. Use the bow thing, but I was having issues even with the multifunction dipole, but yeah, it's a fantastic day for it. Plenty of bloody seagulls though. That's a long walk for a 10-pointer, and I'm not going to cheat and catch the train down either. Well, I'm going to switch off before I fall over.
They're at the point where it starts
to... Right. Nearly, not even nearly down. Fantastic day for it. Have I got any tips if you want to do this one? Be prepared. Plenty of water, suitable footwear. Clothing as well. I mean, I've got multiple layers anyway, but I've only ever needed this on the shirt, so it's been fine today. Don't know what how warm it was at the summit, but it's not too bad. Some chili con carne up there as well. So yeah, 10 points for SOTA. Would I do this one again? Possibly not. I've done it, it's ticked off, I'm not doing it again. Sure they are. Videos are giving you tips for Snowdon. I've done Llanberis, it's meant to be the easy route, it is. I found it a bit difficult, very steep bits, keep having to stop every 5 minutes. So if I can get down quicker than they went up. I'm not looking forward to the steep bits by Ogwen station, which is 3/4 of the way up, and that cafe, which is halfway up, which doesn't have any toilets and it's expensive, watch out, is where they filmed a bit from Carry On Up the Khyber, I believe. I could be wrong. So yeah, let's go on a bit, see what we can find. And get another one.
7 feet.
Mike Whiskey 6 Kilo Italy Oscar portable Llanberis path.
Something Oscar portable. Go ahead again, please.
Mike Whiskey 6 Kilo Italy Oscar portable on the Llanberis pass going down.
Golf Whiskey. Sorry, I'm all too cocky here. Golf Whiskey 0. Was that QSL?
Mike Whiskey 6 Kilo Italy Oscar portable.
Oh, hi again, Tom. Whereabouts are you? Over?
I must have missed you on the summit. I'm going down the Llanberis pass. I've passed the junction for the one you were walking up, so I thought to claim your 10 points. I'm sorry I missed you at the summit.
Yes, not to worry, not to worry. Well, at least I got my 10 points for the chase, and now you've got it also. I'll give you a report in a second. QSL?
Yeah, QSL, you're 5-9 plus 20 over, mate.
Yeah, 5-9 plus here. Over.
Yeah, definitely all received, and I did mention it to a few other callers who were calling me that you'd be up here in a bit, so enjoy the pile up.
Okay, many thanks. Yeah, I think I've got about a 9 or 10 now, so I'll probably call this a day shortly and start the wander down. I did hope to do Kingorian as well, but I don't think there's time today. Besides my legs have probably had enough by height. QSL.
Yeah, definitely. I've definitely had enough. I think when I get to the car, I might have 5 minutes sleep. Then I'm going to drive home and try and recover tomorrow. Anyway, good to get you on the air again, and I'll catch you further down. 73s and safety sent.
Okay, from GR0 Metro possible. 73 is done. QRZ, going QRT shortly. Any more calls for Snowdon?
Golf India 4, uniform Papa Charlie.
Oh, looks like I missed the Golf India station. Never mind. It's funny when you're on radio and people say, "What's he doing?" Oh, I don't know. Anyway, crack on.